Dear students, our grammar lesson this week will be covered on workbook pages 192 and 236. The lesson is about verbs, main verbs, and helping verbs. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify verbs in a sentence, to be able to find the main verb and the helping verb, to learn what a verb phrase is, and then complete your workbook pages. Let's start with the word verb. Do we know what a verb is? Think of words like run, drink, back, sleep. These are actions. A verb is an action word. So when we say the children drink milk, the action drink is our verb. Now here we will try and understand what a main verb is and what a helping verb is. The main verb in the sentence shows the action. It is the important verb in the sentence. Whereas the helping verb tells you more about the verb tense, when that action was happening. We have a couple of helping verbs on our screen. The common ones are is, are, am, was, will, has, have, had, can, do, should, were, could. All of these are helping verbs. The ones on top are the main verbs: run, drink, back. So as I said before, the main verb is the most important verb or action in a sentence. The helping verb comes before the main verb. When we have them together in a sentence, they are called verb phrases. The main verb and the helping verb together is called a verb phrase. Now let's try and use the example on our screen. Lucy is walking down the sidewalk. Of course, it's easy for us to identify the main verb, walking. Helping verb always comes before the main verb, is. Put them together, we have a verb phrase, is walking. Another example here. The students had taken the test. It's easy for us to identify the main verb, taken. The helping verb comes before the main verb, had. Put them together, we get the verb phrase, had taken. See if you can correctly identify the helping verb, the main verb, and the verb phrase in the following sentences. Susan is walking her dog. Try and find the main verb. Then remember, the helping verb comes before the main verb. Then when you put them together, you will get your verb phrase. She had passed the math test. Find your main verb. Helping verb comes before the main verb. Put them together, you will get your verb phrase. I am learning all about verbs. Find the main verb. Helping verb comes before the main verb. Put them together, you get a verb phrase. You should be able to identify the main verb, the helping verb, and a verb phrase in a sentence.